Okay, hi guys, this is the first problem solving class, and in this class, we'll only be doing problems from algebra, what I've taught you in the previous class, and if necessary, I'll be teaching you theory. So this is the first, problem. This is the first problem. Please solve it. Uh,
Solved.
you solved it, okay. Uh, Please keep your answer in the chat box. I'll check it. Please keep your answer in the chat box. I'll check it, and I will give you exactly 40 more seconds. Uh, okay, fine. I'm starting the problem solving. Okay, so the question states that one of my root is root 3 plus root 7. So what I'm assuming is, so x equals to root 3 plus root 7. Send both of the terms to the LHS. You get x minus root 3 minus root 7 equals to 0. This is a problem solving class, and your answer is wrong, Srinivas Ramanujan, whoever it is. The answer is wrong, but I think you made a mistake somewhere. Some of it is correct. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to multiply its conjugate. So if I have one root as root 3 plus root 7, so what I say that the conjugate of this root will be root 3 minus root 7 minus root 3 plus root 7 minus root 3 minus root 7. So we have four conjugates for a third. So these are the four conjugates. So example, I have root as 2 plus root 3. Its other conjugate is 2 minus root 3. So in this case, it's root 3 plus root 7. So we have four conjugates. The four conjugates are root 3 plus root 7, root 3 minus root 7, minus root 3 plus root 7, minus root 3 minus root 7. So x minus root 3 minus root 7, I'm going to multiply it by x minus root 3 plus root 7. So you can see this as a, and this is b, and a, and this is b. This is a minus b into a plus b. So we get it x. So we get this formula is a minus b into a plus b is nothing but a square minus b square, right? So now I get it. So what I get it is x minus root 3 whole square minus root 7 whole square, which is nothing but x minus 3 minus 2 root 3 minus 7. So I get it as x minus 10 minus 2 root 3. So I want you guys to observe this. Yeah, it's right. The answer is right. So we have, so now we got, oh, so now we have x minus 10 minus 2 root 3, sorry, x square minus 10 minus 2 root 3 x, sorry guys, this is x. So we have 2 root 3x and we have 2 root 3x here. So x minus 10 minus 2 root 3 equals to 0, and same thing I'm going to multiply it. So what I'm doing is I'm sending 2 root 3 here, x square minus 10 whole square equals to 2 root 3 whole square, 2 root 3x whole square. So what I get is x power 4 minus 100, sorry, 1 second guys. Have I made any mistake here? Okay, fine. X power 4 minus 100, plus 100, sorry, plus 100 minus 2x square into 10 equals to, so this becomes 4 into, so this is minus 20x square, and this is, oh, 1 second guys, I think I made some mistake here. Okay, fine. I don't think this is a mistake. So this becomes here 12x square. So when I send it here, x power 4 minus 32x square plus 100 equals to 0. Wait, is there any mistake here, guys? Oh, 1 second. I think there's some mistake here. So what we have assumed is x equals to root 3 plus root 7. So I'm sending root 3 plus root 7 to the other side. I get x minus root 3 minus root 7 equals to 0. So I'm assuming x minus root 3 as a and root 7 as b. So I get a minus b into a plus b equals to a square minus b square. So it is x minus root 3 whole square minus root 7 whole square. Oh, okay. This becomes plus 3. Oh, guys, observe. This becomes plus 3 here and it becomes minus 7 here. So this part will become x. So this part will become x minus 4 plus 2 root 3x. So this is a mistake what we made here. So it's x. So sorry, this is x square. This is x square. X square minus 4 plus 2 root 3. So it's x square minus 4 minus 2 root 3. 2 root 3x equals to 0. And then, so all this part won't be there. All this part won't be there. And now it becomes x square minus 4 equals to 2 root 3x. So what it becomes now is x power 4. I'm squaring on both sides and squaring on both sides. X power 4 plus 16 plus x 8x square equals to x square. I get it. Power 4 minus 4x square plus 16 equals to 0. So this is the first question, guys. So let me give you the next question. Guys, whoever it is, please mute yourself. Guys, please mute yourself, please. So I'm giving you the next question here. So 1 second. Yeah, this is the second question, right? Please try this. Please solve this, guys. This is the second question. So I have given the third question too here. So if anyone finishes the second question, they can go for the third question. We're gonna solve the second question and third question now. Please solve the second question and third question, guys. Okay, fine. Now let's. I'm going to start solving the second question. So the second question is, so the polynomial of the lowest degree with the additional coefficients. Okay, so cube root of 2 equals to y. I'm assuming cube root of 2 equals to y. And I say that cube root of 4 equals to y square. This is 4. Cube root of 2, cube root of 2 equals to y. Then cube root of 4 will become y square. So I'm taking y and y square because it's convenient, because I can't write cube root of 2 and cube root of 4 every time. So now I have x equals to y plus 3y. So now what I do is x minus y whole square equals to, whole cube equals to 3y. So this is 3y square whole cube. So x minus y whole cube equals to 3y square whole cube. So I get x cube minus y cube plus okay. So I have seen some people just came. I'm giving another minute time. Please solve the second question. Many people just came. Please solve the second question for now. I'm gonna tell it 1 minute. I'm giving you another minute time. Please solve it. Please solve the second question.
Bro, the answer is x cube minus 3x plus 2 is equal to 0.
Sorry, I think this is a calculation mistake. The answer is x cube minus 18x
Minus 2x plus 2 is equal to 0.
No. I think there's some calculation mistake. I'm gonna solve the answer. I'm gonna solve the question. Just a minute.
Hello.
Yeah. Yes, Ishan. Please solve the
Yes,
second
sir.
question.
Yes, sir. I have a question.
Yeah, please tell.
Sir, how in sir notation of tenth power calculation? How? Sir, can
Your voice is
I?
breaking. Your voice is breaking. Please keep it in the chat. I'll read it. Uh,
Hello.
Ishan, please keep it in the chat. I'll read it because your voice is breaking.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. I said.
Why not ministry?
Pardon me. Okay. Okay, fine. I'm gonna solve the second question now. So I have one root as okay. Same thing. I'm assuming cube root of 2 equals to y and cube root of 4 equals to y square. So this is 4 equals to y square. So what I have x equals to cube root of 2 plus 3 into cube root of 4. So I write x equals to y plus 3y square. So now what I'm doing, I'm doing it in a different way. X equals to y into 1 plus 3y. I'm taking y common. So now I'm going to do whole cube. So what I get is x cube equals to y cube into, I'm just simplifying this, guys. So what I get is 1 plus 3y, I mean 3y whole cube plus 3 times of 3y 3 times of 3y into 1 plus 3y. So this is the a plus b whole key formula. So now, so
Hello.
yes, Ishan, please tell.
Sir, I write.
Yeah.
Sir, I write in the chat.
Okay, 1 second. Okay, the
So
answer.
please consider my doubt.
Yes, Yashika, please tell. Okay, fine. No, the NSCP course is. I got a very bad response, so I'm not going to start NSCP course. Maybe next year. So now I have x cube equals to.
Hello. Sir, please say.
No, I'm going to respond to all your doubts after this question, please, guys. Please wait for some time.
Okay.
X cube. See, we know y cube. So when we know y equals to cube root of 2. So y cube will become 2. So observe that this will become 2. And so assume this part. Take this part. Now take this part. Y into 1 plus 3y. What is y into 1 plus 3y? Y into 1 plus 3y is nothing but y plus 3y square. 3y square. What is y plus 3y square? Y plus 3y square is nothing but x. You need to observe this. So now what I'm writing it as x cube equals to 2 because y cube is cube root of 2. So I'm going to write y cube as 2 into 1 plus 27 into 2 plus 9 into x. So y equals y, this is 27 y cubes and y cube is 2. So I am writing it as 27 into 2. And this part y into 1 plus 3y is nothing but x. As we have seen here, it is nothing but x. So and we have a coefficient of 9 here. So now what I get is x cube. So let us simplify this. This is 55 plus 9x. X cube equals to 110 plus 18x. So this is gonna be the answer, guys. So x cube minus 18x minus 110 is the answer. Equals to 0 is the answer. So now, guys, please solve the third question. And I'll be answering your doubts now also. 1 second. Give me 2 minutes. I'll answer your doubts.
Hello.
Yeah, Ishan, please tell now.
Yes, sir, I send you. Please check it.
1 second. Let me check. Guys, until then, please solve the third question. I'm checking.
Hello.
Yeah, 1 second. I have a different thing. Okay, you send me 31 into 4 by 6.023 multiplied by. This is some chemistry question or what? Avogadro's number.
Yes, sir.
No, it's like, what do you want me to solve in this?
Yes, sir. What?
Oh, you want me to solve this equation? I mean the term.
Yes, sir. Please solve it in scientific notation.
No, why don't you just use a calculator or do it? 31 into 4 by 6.023, right? How to solve? No, you need to do. First, you multiply 31 into 4 and divide by 6.023. What is there in that?
Hello.
Yeah,
So,
Ishan.
yes, sir. It comes at 20.598.
Yeah.
And then, sir,
And
10 to the power 23.
10 to the power 23, when it goes up, it becomes 10 power minus 23.
Sir, how?
See, 1 second. Let me tell you. Uh, I have a number 1 by 10 power 23. If I send 10 power 23 here, it becomes 10 power minus 23. So if I have something like x power minus 3, I can write x power minus, I mean 5 power minus 3. I can write 5 power minus 3 as 1 by 5 cube. So this negative
Yes, sir.
means denominator.
Yes, sir. 10 to the power minus 23 here. Here the answer is 2.050
Yeah, yeah.
into 10.
2.050 into 10 power minus 22. See, you got 25.050 into 10 power minus 23. So the answer will become, so I'm dividing by 10 here and keeping it in 10 power minus 23. So it will become 2.5050 into 10 power minus 22. Okay, yeah, I'll be explaining the second question again. And guys, please solve the third question until then. So what I have here is uh, the
Okay, sir.
question,
Thank you very much.
yeah, the question states that cube root of 2 plus, I need to find a polynomial with rational coefficients. So I'm assuming cube root of 2 is y and cube root of 4 as y square. So you just need to square it, and I'm taking x equals to cube root of 2 plus cube root of 4 as it is given in the question. So I'm just writing it in the form of y and y square. So I get x equals to y plus 3y square here. You can see here. So 1 second. Oh. So I get y equals to this one. I mean x equals to y plus 3y square. So now I'm taking y common from y plus 3y square. So I get 1 plus 3y. So now I'm multiplying the whole, I'm cubing the whole equation. When I cube the whole equation, I get x cube equals to y cube, and the inner part I'm just expanding it here. And now observe this part. Observe this part. Observe this part. You get y into 1 plus 3y is nothing but x. X equals to y into 1 plus 3y. Guys, please mute yourself. Okay. Guys, please mute yourself. Okay. So now I'm just simplifying it. Keep y into 1 plus 3y and just simplify it. You get x cube equals to 2 plus this term. So if you just simplify it, you get this equation. So that's it, guys. And please try the third question now. Yeah, okay, okay. Please solve the third question, guys. Yeah, yeah, correct. You're right. There'll be conjugates and there'll be roots. Okay, now the time is up. I'm gonna solve the question now. So I was told that. Okay, fine. Let us see now. So I have I have one root as 2 plus root 3. So I'm writing x equals to 2 plus root 3 and send to the side. Just send to the side. You get x minus 2 equals to root 3. Just square it. So I'm writing it above. So I get x square plus 4 plus 4x equals to 3. So this will become x square plus 4x plus 1 equals to 0. So this is what I get from the above equation, which is one of my root is 2 plus root 3 and the other root will be its conjugate. So now let us do this. So now let us take x equals to 3 plus root 2. Send 3 this side. X minus 3 equals to root 2. Square on both sides. X square plus 9 minus 6x equals to 2. You get x square plus minus 6x plus 7 equals to 0. So let us take this as equation 1 and this as 2. So 1 into 2 will be a desired answer. So which is nothing but x square plus 4x plus 1 multiplied by x square minus 6x plus 7, which is nothing but equals to 0. So what you get is x power 4 minus 10x cube minus plus 32x square. I've already simplified it before the class, so I remember the answer. I mean, I have the answers ready. So this is just simplification, so I'm not going to do it much. So what we have done first, what we have done is we have taken x equals to 2 plus root 3 and we wrote x minus 2 equals to root 3 and we're going to square it, and similarly we're going to do it for the other thing also. And now I'm going to multiply equation 1 and equation 2, and which gives me this one. Okay guys, so now let us take a question from my handout. So let us take the 9th question. The 9th question is a really interesting question. So 1 second. So I'm gonna take the 9th question. So the 9th question is a really interesting question, guys. No, you don't need to use complex numbers. It's a good question. You don't need to use any of the complex numbers. It's a really interesting question also. You can solve a big questions with these also. So let me give you a similar type of question. So the 4th question is also similar. So you can't use complex numbers in the 4th question. Look at the 4th question, man. The 4th question is like much tougher. I mean, I don't think you can do the power of 17 and 16 for a complex number. So let us do the 9th question, and I'll give you time for the 4th question. So let us assume that the roots of x square, so I have the equation x square minus x minus 1. 1 second, guys. Yeah, I have the equation x square minus x minus 1 equals to 0. So now I know that the roots are not real. The roots are complex numbers. So no, the roots are not complex numbers, but they are irrational. There are irrational roots. Irrational roots. I can't just use irrational roots and keep power of 5. It's going to be so lengthy. So I'm going to say a much simpler technique. So I'm assuming the roots are alpha and beta. When I assume the roots are alpha and beta, I get that alpha plus beta equals to 1 because it's minus b by a and minus b is minus 1. So minus of minus 1 by 1 equals to 1. And alpha beta is minus 1. So now let us keep alpha and beta in this equation. The equation what we have here, let us keep it here. So now what we get is, we get a alpha power 5 plus b alpha power 4 plus 1 equals to 0. This is one equation, and the other equation will become a beta power 5 plus b beta power 4 plus 1 equals to 0. So these are two equations what I get because alpha and beta are the roots when the roots of x square minus, when this divides this, then the roots of this will also be here. So I get the roots of this one. So the roots become, 1 second. So now what I'm saying, because alpha and beta are the roots.
Hello.
Yeah.
Yes, sir. I have another that type of question.
1 second after this question. So I'm going to multiply the first equation by beta power 4 and the second equation by alpha power 4. So you'll understand why I'm doing this. So what I get here, so let me write here. So what I get, A alpha, this is A and this is alpha, into alpha beta whole power 4. See, when this gets multiplied here, I'm taking alpha common, I mean alpha power 4 and beta power 4, I'm taking it together, and B alpha power 4 plus beta power 4, I mean sorry, and this becomes plus B alpha beta whole power 4 plus beta power 4. This is what I get when I multiply the whole equation by, this is what I get when I multiply the whole equation by beta power 4. And similarly, I'm just going to solve it here. I get a beta into alpha beta whole power 4 plus beta, sorry, oh, this is b into alpha beta whole power 4 plus alpha power 4. So now guys, as you, so what we have got here, we got alpha into beta equals to 1. So sorry, alpha into beta equals to minus 1, as minus c by a is minus 1. So alpha beta is minus 1. So alpha beta power 4 is equals to 1. So I'm going to keep alpha beta power 4 here. So what I get is, so this will become 1 and this will become 1. I get a alpha plus b plus beta power 4 equals to 0. And what I get here is a beta plus beta, I mean a beta plus b, this is beta, a beta plus b plus alpha power 4 equals to 0. So I get these two equations here. So I'm let me take this equation as 1 and this equation as 2. And when I'm subtracting 1 and 2, 1 minus 2, I get, what I get is a into alpha minus beta equals to alpha power 4 minus beta power 4. I have sent the beta power 4 and alpha power 4 to the other side so that it becomes positive. Yeah, okay. So now when I'm subtracting 1 and 2, I get this. So what is alpha power 4 minus beta power 4? Alpha power 4 minus beta power 4 is nothing but alpha square plus beta square into alpha plus beta into alpha minus beta. So this is nothing but a square minus b square formula, guys. This is nothing but a square minus b square. I'm just writing alpha power 4 minus beta power 4 as alpha square plus beta square multiplied by alpha square minus beta square, and alpha square minus beta square becomes alpha plus beta into alpha minus beta. So I've just written the same thing here, guys, and then I get this alpha minus beta and this alpha minus beta cancelled. So I get a equals to alpha square plus beta square into alpha plus beta, and we know that alpha plus beta is 1. We know alpha plus beta is 1, and alpha plus beta whole square equals to 1. That implies alpha square plus beta square plus 2 alpha beta equals to 1, and alpha square plus 2 alpha beta is nothing but minus 2. So I get alpha square plus beta square equals to 3. So I get 3 and I get 1. So I get a equals to 3. So in the question 3, in the question 9, I get a equals to 3. I get a equals to 3. And similarly, if I solve for b, I get, it's fine. Yeah, oh, in the question, they're only asking for a. So I think that's it. We have found a for this one. We have solved a. We have got a here, and we got a equals to 3. And please solve the fourth question now. Please solve the fourth question now. We have solved the ninth.
Hello.
Yeah.
Yes, sir. I sent that. Please check.
1 second.
And sir, please do some that type of problem.
This type of problem. Why you won't get this anywhere, no? Except in chemistry. 1 second. Let me tell you. I think I remember the value, but I need to use calculator. Yes, so you're asking me 1 by 6.022 into 10 power minus 23. So it is nothing but 0.166 into, oh sorry, 10 power 23, right? Into 10 power minus 23. Or you can write it as 1.6 into 10 power minus 24. That's it.
No, sir. Their answer is 1.66 into 10 to the minus 24.
What is the answer? 1.6.
1.66 into 10 to the minus 24.
Yeah, that's what. I've wrote it here. 1.66 into 10 power minus 24. That is exactly what I've written.
Sir, how? 10 to the 20 minus 24?
1 second.
Sir, please do some that type of thing only on 5 or 6.
1.1 by 6.022 into 10 power minus 23. So what happens here? When you divide 1 by 6.022, you get 0.166 into 10 power minus 23. So I can write 0.166 into 10 power minus 23 as 1.66 into 10 power minus 24. That's it.
Sir, you write wrong thing.
No, it's right only. One second. And these types of questions shouldn't be asked here. This is Olympiad, right? So what you just need to do is you just need to send 10 power, 10 power minus 10 power 23 to up, you get 10
Sir,
power minus 24.
sir, that type of problem, please do some.
No, you won't get that problem anywhere. That's simple calculation.
Okay, sir, please solve it, which I sent.
Okay.
Sir,
Yeah.
1 by 6.0022 into 10 to the 23.
No, you won't get those questions anywhere. So there's no point of doing that.
Sir, I sent you, which you not complete.
No, I'm not solving the question because it's an unnecessary question. Right? No, it's one. See, let me tell you. 1 by 6.022 is nothing but 0.166. So I'm sending the 10 power minus 3 10 power 10 power 23 to up. I get 0.166 into 10 power minus 23. So I can write 0.16 as 1.6 into 10 power minus 24. That's it. Okay, fine. Guys, please solve the fourth question. Please solve the fourth question. The fourth question will be homework, guys, because the same logic, we have used ax power 5. Here it's ax power 17. So just multiply by alpha power 17 and beta power, alpha power 16 and beta power 16, and you get everything similar to this. Just like this, you get here a alpha into alpha power 16 into beta power 16. You just get that. And the answer will be a bit different here, as you get a equals to alpha square plus alpha power 8 plus beta power 8 into alpha power 4 plus beta power 4 into alpha square plus beta square into alpha plus beta into alpha minus beta. So you need to simplify that one to get the answer. So I'm giving you another minute time. You can try it now. I'm gonna take another good question. Yeah, I'm gonna take the eighth question. The eighth question is a really nice question. Oh, sorry guys, sorry, 1 second. Really sorry, 1 second. Okay, fine, solve the 8th question, guys. I will solve your question after the class. Ishan, I'll solve your question, whatever you have. We'll end the class at 10 o'clock. After that, you ask me whatever you want. So this is a really good question here. It's a really good question. A similar type of question was asked in RMO also. I think it was RMO in some 1992. A similar type of question. A really similar type of question was asked in RMO 1992. So let us solve the question. Uh, so I have x cube plus ax plus b, and I have this as the first equation, and I was told that x minus 1 whole square. So x minus 1 whole square divides this. So I can say that x minus 1 whole square into x minus something, x minus y, equals to x cube plus ax plus b. So I can write it as x square plus 1 minus 2x into x minus y equals to x cube plus ax plus b. So I can write this. This is equals to. So now observe one thing. So I'm just simplifying this. So what I get here, x cube plus x minus 2x square minus yx square minus y minus plus 2xy equals to x cube plus ax plus b. So now let us simplify this. We just need to simplify this. See, take these two terms here, minus 2 minus y x square. I'm taking x square common in these two. When I take x square common in these two, and here I have got no coefficient of x square, so I have 0 x square here. To make this part 0 x square, I need to make this part as 0 x square. So that time y must be y equals to minus 2. Y must be minus 2. I'm in class 10. Y equals to when y equals to minus 2, then this part becomes like 1 second. Yes, then this part becomes 0. So we get y equals to minus 2. So I'm going to keep, so now I know that x minus 1 whole square into x minus of minus 2 equals to the equation x cube plus ax plus b. So this is what I wanted, and this, when you observe this is nothing but x plus 2. So you get x minus 1 whole square into x plus 2 equals to x cube plus ax plus b. So now what we get, they're asking us to find the remainder when we divide this equation with x plus 2. So that time what we get is, so x plus 2, because x plus 2 is a factor, so when you divide it by x plus 2, this gets cancelled and we get remainder equals to 0. That's it. That's it, guys. That's it, guys. You can have a look at this question. So we have solved few problems.